Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Lexus NX 300. We will begin by navigating through your vehicle's infotainment system to locate the clock settings. Next, I will guide you through the options for adjusting the time, whether you prefer to set it manually or utilize the automatic GPS synchronization feature. Finally, we will ensure your changes are saved, so your Lexus always displays the correct time. To begin, locate the Menu button on your Lexus NX 300 infotainment system and press it. This will bring up the main menu on your display. From there, you will need to select the Setup option. Once you are in the Setup menu, look for and choose the clock setting. This will open the various options for adjusting your vehicle's time. Within the clock settings, you'll typically find two main options: Manual and GPS Sync. If you choose Manual, you can use the on-screen arrows or controls to adjust the hours and minutes precisely. Alternatively, selecting GPS Sync will allow your Lexus NX 300 to automatically set its time based on satellite signals, ensuring accuracy without manual input. Once you have made your desired adjustments, whether manual or via GPS, it is crucial to save your changes. Look for an OK or Enter button on the screen and press it to confirm your new settings. Always take a moment to verify that the displayed time is now correct. If you set the time manually, remember to adjust for daylight saving time when applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.